Hello friends, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to use filter function. So I have a data here, designation, employee name, contact details in the team. So I'm trying to filter for the based on the designation. So you have created a data validation where we can have the all the designations. So based on this designation, I need to get the details here. For that, you can use the filter function equals filter open bracket and open bracket. So I need to get the all the details. So I'm going to select from B2 to F19 entire range. Use F4 function. F4 is to freeze this range. F4 is not working. Use function key plus F4. So now it is taking comma. So under we are looking for the designation. So designation is B column. So again select only the B column, B2 to B19. Use function key F4. Under this we are trying to look for the trainee. So equals trainee. So and comma and use if the any designation which is not in this list should show it as blank. So to avoid to get the error, so we use double quote. So if the designation is something else which is not here, so it will show as blanks. Close the bracket, hit enter. So now you can see the trainee information is given. So we have three trainee details. We have got all the information here. For example, I need to select for team lead. So we have only one team lead. So we are getting all the information PD. So these are the team. For example, I need to get not only one designation, maybe two designations. So how to get that? So let's say I need to get for SA and PD. So for that, what you can do, you can use the same function, filters, open bracket. See, when you can see, it's already giving here. So we need to get there's an example here says how to get that information. So we'll use range again, function F4 under this comma open bracket. So we are using two conditions, so we need to give the open bracket. Under this we are trying to look for the designation. Designation is B2, so I'm going to select the B2 again, freeze it, F4 function equals, so I'm using PD first condition. So I'm close the bracket. Now again start with the comma, again B2 to B3. So you can copy this directly, or you can again select the B2 to B19 F4 function equals SA. So for this we can use the close brackets. Close brackets. So if both are not met, so here you can use not comma, you should use plus sign. So plus what it does is it will going to take both the things. So comma, close the bracket. So now you see S designation of S and PD are taken here. So basically what we did, we taken the range from B2 to F19 comma. So when you adding a two conditions, so you need to start with the open bracket. So I open bracket here, selected the designation column as B2 to B19 is equal to J2. J2 is nothing but PD plus, adding plus is nothing but it will include both the conditions. So plus B2 to B19. So again start with open bracket, B2 to B19 is equal to K2. K2 is SA. Close bracket, comma. So this condition is met, comma, and this two double quotes is nothing but if there is both are not designations not there here, it will show as blank. So int enter, so you'll get the information here. So you can get we are trying to get this information here. You can put it in different sheets and get the information. I hope this formula was helpful. Thank you guys.